Hello, welcome to Healthy Heart with Sarah. Today we'll be exploring the topic cooking oil you should avoid. Does it include palm oil? When choosing cooking oils, our major focus should be the source of the oil. Is it plant based or animal based? Also, the level and type of processing used. But our major focus today will be palm oil. Why palm oil? Palm oil is a regular cooking oil in many African homes. In fact, many people wouldn't prepare a meal without adding palm oil. It is their special ingredient. But unfortunately, palm oil has gotten a very bad rap. Why? Palm oil is actually very rich in palmitic acid. Like all cooking oils, palm oil contains polyunsaturated fat, monounsaturated fat, and saturated fat. But the palmitic acid found in its saturated fat is about 40 to 45%. And many people are of the opinion that too much of saturated fat is very, very bad for the body. Truly, palm oil is rich in palmitic acid, yes, but that palmitic acid doesn't just stay like dormant. No, it is utilized by the body to perform many cellular functions. So, why too much of the palmitic acid might not be so good? It doesn't remain idle. It is utilized by the body, and if it wants to misbehave, the palm oil is rich in vitamin E, which comes to the rescue of the palmitic acid. Another interesting fact is that palm oil is rich in monounsaturated fat, which is about 40%. Yes, 40%. And monounsaturated fats have proven to be very heart healthy. But why the whole contradicting experiments and studies? Some experiments would say palm oil is heart healthy. Yes, you can take it. While some other studies would say palm oil is horrible. It will clog your arteries. You will have a heart disease. You begin to wonder which of these school of thoughts should we follow. From my own extensive research, that two major reasons could I've come to realize that two major reasons could have caused a flaw in such experiments. One is that it's possible that some of the participants used in those experiments were random people that lived sedentary lifestyles, they smoked heavily, drank heavily, they had poor social relationships, they did all other unhealthy things you can think of. Do you get? So they just picked these random people and probably started giving them oils for 3 months, then or 6 months or 1 year or 3 years. Then they now say it's because of the palm oil that they took that is causing the heart problem, while negating and neglecting the fact that they have been imbibing unhealthy habits all of their lives. Do you get? There's a unhealthy lifestyle that has resulted in the heart condition, not the palm oil they took for a period of time that caused it. It is the unhealthy lifestyle that caused it. Another shocking revelation is that our body produces this so-called killer palmitic acid. You may begin to wonder, how is that possible? You know, the other time I said the body uses this palmitic acid. Yes, but funnily, when we live sedentary lifestyles, we don't move around, we don't shake our bodies, we are not active, our bodies tends to produce more than necessary. So do you get the gist? When we live in inactive lifestyles, our body will produce more of this palmitic acid, which when it becomes too much might not be too good for the body. Then another thing is that when the Westerners say palm oil, there is a high possibility that they are referring the to what we call ororo. Yes, what they usually use is what we call ororo, which is a refined version of palm oil. And a refined version of palm oil, ororo, has been stripped of so many of its heart protective properties. A little digression here. Ororo is actually made from palm oil. It is a byproduct of palm oil. So it has been stripped and deodorized, bleached, everything you can think of many of its heart protective properties. So we wouldn't expect it to offer the same protection that red palm oil would prefer. So when you give people this oil, you shouldn't expect that they would be heart healthy, because palm oil has so many natural heart protective properties. When you remove this thing and fortify them with artificial ones, you wouldn't expect it to perform the same magic that red palm oil would perform. So palm oil is actually very healthy. It has so many nutrients, so many vitamins, yes, but the same cannot be said of refined palm oil, and the same cannot also be said of fake palm oil or oil that has been reheated severally. In fact, so many studies are against the usage of palm oil that has been reheated severally. So a word of caution here: do not go overboard, use in moderation. Do not drink it because we say it's healthy. Use in moderation, no doubt. And also explore other heart healthy oils like avocado oil, olive oil, and most importantly, lead and live a heart healthy life. Cheers to a healthy heart. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and remain subscribed. Thank you so much for stopping by, and bye.